Hey Peter. Hey PJ. Yes. Why you have to go to Clive? Why you have to leave me and go to Clive? I left all this goodness to go to Clive. Not because I asked you for funds for the apartment to buy more furniture to put in the apartment. Not because I have that. Asked you that. Why you have to go? I miss the wild, crazy ass sex we used to have. Or you eat my bottom good, or you suck my dick good, suck my nipples real good to the tender. Why? Why you have to hurt me? I'm willing to work everything out with you, baby. I'm willing to talk everything over with you. I'm willing, honey. Come back home, please. Please, Peter. Please, PJ, come back home. I miss you. Oh my god. I miss you, baby. I miss you. I heard that you're sending threats. Why? Why you wanna kill me? Hey, honey? Oh god. Why you wanna kill me? Why you wanna hurt me? You don't love me? I love you, boo. Yeah, I really do. Look where you just start mess with Clive and everybody here. And look how long me and talk and nobody never hear. Hey babes, look how long we talk and nobody never know. And look how much things we have been through. And you're really doing this to me? Really? Please. I'm willing to work everything through with you, honey. Come back home, baby. Come back home to me. Here?